It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still here, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. And I was once like you are now. And I know that it's not easy to be calm when you find something going on. But take your time, think alive, think of everything you've got, for you're gonna still be here tomorrow. But dear treats me now. How can I try to explain what I do? It turns away again. It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. It's not